ഒരിക്കലും പുതുമയല്ല. ആളുകളുടെ എണ്ണം കൂടുന്നുണ്ട്. ആളുകളുടെ എണ്ണം വർഷം വർഷം വർദ്ധിച്ചു വരികയാണ്. പക്ഷെ അതേസമയം we have a guest here. What's your name?
I'm Elena. Hi.
Which country you belong to?
Well, I'm from Austria.
Austria. Australia or Austria?
Austria.
Austria.
Without kangaroos.
Yeah. Okay. How do you feel about this tiger play? It can be
Amazing.
it's politically, it can be loosely translated as tiger play.
Yeah, I know. They explain.
People are impersonating themselves as tigers and they are playing.
Yeah, they're amazing. They look amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Are there any parallels in any part of the world for this show?
Well,
Can you compare this with any of the?
well, I didn't know that there was, and I'm really impressed. And I have never seen that in any other country before.
I have never seen such a pageantry.
No.
No.
It was the first time. It was amazing.
How you happen to hear about it? This thing?
Well, I'm really happy that I have great friends who showed me.
Your
So-
friends here.
Yeah, they are my friends.
I see.
So
So they told you it's worth seeing.
yes, and they said there are tigers and that they're dancing and that will be amazing. So
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Job you are doing?
back home or here?
There in your own country.
Oh, in my country.
You are an employee or a
Yeah.
doing business.
Yeah, I'm a HR business consultant.
Pardon?
I'm a business consultant.
Business consultant.
Yes.
So business from a business consultant's point of view, how do you feel?
Well, I love other countries and it's nothing with my job, but me as a person. I think it's
When you look
important.
at this festival,
Yeah.
through the goggles of when a business consultant,
Yeah.
how do you feel?
Well, I think to experience new cultures and different, it's always good that you can see and experience new things and then bring them back home and tell other people what they can experience and see.
So you mean to say that it's altogether new experience for you?
Of course.
Is it for the first time you are seeing this?
This specific thing, yes.
This big thing first time?
Yes. I've been on many festivals, but I've never seen a tiger dance before.
Yes. What is the peculiarity of this festival according to your perception and experience?
Well, I think it's really different. I've never been to India before. It's my first time in India, and it's amazing. It's amazing. It's a great country, a great culture, and the festival is multicultural and really colorful.
It's colorful.
So thank you for sharing with
It's
me.
attractive. It's a street play, something like that.
Definitely.
That's it.
Yes?
You have never seen this size of a play anywhere in any part of the world.
Not yet.
Not
No.
yet. Anyway, thank you for your
You're
valuable
welcome.
words and appreciation of our cultural festival. And thank you and wish you
Well, thank you for
best,
having
all
me.
the best. When will you return to your own country?
Pardon?
When will you go back to your country?
Next week.
Next week you will go back.
Yes.
Have you seen Thrissur Puram? No.
Yes, today.
You
Today.
saw-
Yeah. I have been here in Kerala for 1 week.
You have been here.
Yes.
Are you planning to come for the next Puram also?
We will see what future brings. I don't know yet, but I will with my
Anyway,
son.
you
maybe.
want to see it, but you don't know whether it will materialize or not. You want to
Yes,
see it.
definitely.
Anyway, let it materialize and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
One more thing, we forget to ask her name. And what's your name, basically?
Elena, he asked me though.
Oh, sorry, Alina. Alina ആയിരുന്നു Alina all the way from Austria, right? Yeah, that was an amazing experience with you guys, and it was really amazing. You gave us a wonderful feedback. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Yeah, it was really amazing. And Alina, right?
Thank you. They never say thank you. Thank you. And they are sincere.
ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ് അതന്നെ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കെന്താ പറയുക, നമ്മളുടെ നാട്ടുകാരുടെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് മാത്രമല്ല, പുറത്തുനിന്ന് വന്ന ആളുകളുടെ ഒരു ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക് കൂടി കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇത് എത്രത്തോളം വലുതാണ്, എത്രത്തോളം ഇതാണ്. ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഒരു ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല എന്നുള്ളത്.
അവര് പറയുന്നത് അലീന ഫ്രം ഓസ്ട്രിയ. അവർ പറയുന്നത് തൃശ്ശൂർ നടക്കുന്ന നമ്മുടെ പുലിക്കളി പോലെ ഇത്രയും ജൈജാന്റിക് ആയിട്ട്